going on, Matt? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. We're going to take a quick look at your website and even the back end, see what's going on. So right off the bat, it does seem a little bit messy because, about us, services, decorating, all that, and then obviously coupons, bill pay, contact us. There might be a way for you to clean that just a little bit instead of having them all like in this giant like two rows over here where it kind of can get in the way. Anyway, just scrolling down interior, these are all links, which is great. I noticed that as you go here, people do, you are talking about your services, which is exactly what you want. Plus, there's links to other pages. I don't know what our customers say is good. I'm not sure if you really need it. And then coupons. So I do want to test something out over here. Coupons. So it does take you to a brand new actual area, which is good. Only thing I would say is talk a lot more about your actual this, like what it is you actually do. Talk more about that. That would probably be a lot better. Sister companies, floor troops, kitchen recall. So excellent. You're letting them know. I like how this is always click to call, schedule online, or email us, and then obviously you have a whole bunch of areas. So let's take a look at the back end, see what's going on over here. So right here, you have a UR rating of 4. That's how much they like your website, and a DR rating of 11, which means Google trusts you a little bit. Well, I mean 11 out of 100. So, I mean, it's still okay. You do have 598 backlinks with only 27 referring domains. Now, a backlink is when you have a website link like this somewhere else, and somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when they come back to you. So, 27 out of 598, not the greatest, probably what, but these are probably really good, which is why your DR rating is at least an 11. You also do have 91 organic keywords. So let's take a look at those keywords, see what's going on with them, see if we can't kind of give some tips and tricks on what we can do. So we're going to look at the keyword, the volume, the traffic, and the positioning. So outdoor painters near me, not really good because yes, there's 350 people searching for it, but it's an international keyword. Anyone can search for it. And yes, I lived in New Jersey for a bit. I understand it's not so big, like it's 2 hours by 2 hours barely, but 30. It's also an international keyword, but you're getting closer. Painting in New Jersey again, painting power painting. Painters in South Jersey is probably a better one because 150. Yes, zero traffic, but you're in the 23rd position, so page number 2. Cherry Hill, New Jersey. So you have a huge variety of different things, but you're not really getting any traffic through your website through that. Now that's not so bad, but if you want to start targeting actual people to get um, really good traffic through your website, you might want to start figuring out what people are searching for and the different areas you might serve so that you can better do that. Now, the only reason I'm not harping on you that much is because when I do Painters Sewell, New Jersey, which is where you are located over here on the bottom of your website, right over here, um, that's kind of where your home base is, I guess. So I put that in, and I find that yes, you have all these ads over here, which if you do them correctly, you can bring in some excellent short-term customers right, quick through the door. But then you have your GMB, which is Google My Business Profile, very important to have over here. But then I see right here, painting power. You're number 1, which is great. And then I go through the organic search, and the first thing we have is Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, CertaPro, and Painting Power right here. So you're pretty much on top of the list as far as everything goes. It's just that you don't have a lot of great keywords. So Painter, Sewell, New Jersey, I guess you do have, but like you have an entirely different area or multiple areas that you do hit. So my only advice, honestly, is if you're trying to really outrank and stay ahead of the competition in all the areas you do serve, is find out exactly what those areas are, get the keywords for those areas, and I would probably include them in your website. Get a little bit more referring domains that come back to you that are strong. And then if you do that, plus content is key. You definitely want strong content, about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. Do that, and you'll start taking over not just Sewell, but other areas as well. Anyway, I really do hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.